So the question is, how much can you earn on MISTPLAY to get paid to play games on phone? Yeah, this is the today's topic that I want to show in this video, which is around the MISTPLAY app. So this is I heard these apps, and I'm going to show you the website in quick fashion, which is this. This is the MISTPLAY.com website that I'm talking about in this video, which is really going crazy and popular right now. And I'm heard about people making money with MISTPLAY. So I'm looking for I'm looking for a review before I try it out. So simply this is the case, and today's everyone trying everything and post their reviews on the internet. So why not looking for it before I try it, and like if it's not working, then that's a waste of time and waste of money. So simply I'm looking for MISTPLAY reviews out there. So I'm go through the websites, and these websites looks really awesome, and people are getting paid from them. So if I just click on the Google Play, and it loads the Google Play app sections, and I can see that there are already almost like 250,000 people downloaded and using this app, which is really great to see. And if I just scroll down and look for the reviews, and I can see that it's getting 4.1 review, which is really good in comparison to other money or play to earning apps out there. So this looks awesome, but I'm not satisfied there. So I'm looking for more reviews, how MISTPLAY it work, and how is it really worth to try it. Is it really the app that I can look for that is different than other apps who like scam, do not pay to the players and go away after some time? I want to confirm that MISTPLAY is a good site to work with. So I search more on Google and find out that an article on medium.com, and the writer is Julie Wren, who is a really good earn money online article writer. So she is really popular out there, like 43k followers she has. So she writes good articles about these apps, and I can see that she tried 4 apps that claim to earn money by playing games, and she like kept 1 apps among those 4 apps. So I'm not going through all the apps because they are all scams out there, and they just simply want your views, or simply want to show ads to you and earn money for them, and not giving any money to you. You're just simply a player and wasting your time and money. So she reviewed MISTPLAY, and this is what she gets to play with this. So she just installed these MISTPLAY apps in her phone, and you can see that you simply earn gems for downloading and playing games, and spending some amount of time playing it, leveling up, and you achieve gems, more gems, and you can convert those gems into gift cards, PayPal Cash, Amazon gift cards, and many more gift cards like this. So the reality, she found out that reality of MISTPLAY is like she installed a Farmville game, which is like Family Island, which is a really popular game, and she loved to play those type of games. So she installed it, and she spends like 2 hours there, and already she earned like 842 gems. And when she register, it's like bonus 100 gems will be added to your account as a bonus. So in total 942 gems she got in 2 hours. So this is really good. The conversion rate for that is 50 cents for 400 gems. So this is really awesome. So she already got like $1. So for 942 gems, it's like $1 in 2 hours. So this sounds like not much, but just stay with me. She found it's not like time consuming waste of time. So she spends more times and download another games and play it like 20 minutes and got another 462, which is like worth 50 cents. So let me show you. She concluded like that it's a $65 per hour opportunity work there. So yes, you can play games and spend that, and if you think like this is not waste of time, you can avail it and you can go through with this 65 cents per hour. So she according to her statement, it's 65 cents per hour. But let me show you, let me break down her screenshots. You can see that she installed it and played for 2 hours, and she got like 842 with the 100 gems bonus. So 842 gems she got. So after playing 2 hours, right? So if I just go over to the second screenshot whether you can see that she ordering gift cards, and in the gift card sections you can see that 400 gems it's for 50 cents. So it's okay, and to get that 400 cents you need to spend like 1 or 2 hours. So 1 hour, if I take it like that, 1 hour 50 cents. Okay, so if you just spend for 4 hours time, and you will get $5. So the hourly wages getting more, increased more. So why not, why I calculate 400 for 50 cents? It's a 50 cents per hour. If I just spend 4 hours, my hourly wage is already more than $1. So if I spend more time, it's like if I get 3000 gems, and it will took me like around 6 to 7 hours. It's like 7 hours of work, and you get $10 for it. So 7 hours of gameplay can make you around 3000 gems, that can give you $10 to your PayPal. So the hourly wage is like more, almost $1.2, $1.3 per hour. So I'm not agree with the 60 cents or 50 cents per hour work. If you just spend some more hours on them, and you can earn even more money, the hourly wage will be much more higher than the 50 cents mark. So she played it for sometimes, and she is a really good article writer, and this is a really good opinion of her. So simply I respect her, but simply I do not agree with the statement of 50 cents per hour. It's like more than $1 per hour. But this is really not much money, but it's just spending some hours playing. You do every day, you play on your phone, so why not earn some money and some pocket money here and there? So in the third screenshot, she got that payment of 50 cents too, and this confirms that this is a legit earning app that pays to its customer, whether it's 50 cent or $1 or more and or less. So this is, guys, this is the thing I want to show. And if I just go over to MISTPLAY.com, you can see that people's this is a really like a company. You just simply scroll down, and you can see that they have carriers. If you click on that, and they have a company, and they are working as a company, they want you to work with them, and this is the real people behind MISTPLAY. So this cannot be a scam site. This is a real site, and people are working behind it and developing it more further. So I believe that the 50 cent or $1 per hour, it's like right now going on, it will improve much more in future, in near future. So you play games, you love playing games on mobile, so why not earn some money with that? So simply you can, and this is an assure that she assured that she got payment, and I searched on Google, and many people got payment, and they are really happy with MISTPLAY. You can go through the reviews, and you can simply download it. It's required to have an Android phone like now, but Apple users cannot use this app. So I'm sure they're going to add those options in future as well. So simply install this app and spend some hours daily to earn a good pocket amount of every month. So why not try that? Simply go through and try and earn some amount of money every day, every month. So if you're liking this method, hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.